What's up, guys? It's December 11th, 2023. Hope you guys had a good trading day. We had 10-year bond auction right in the middle of the day, which actually caused the breakout, but the breakout was pretty weak if you ask me. I think the breakout was really, we had a breakout, but it was also a continuation of yesterday's bull channel. It was getting wider. That encompasses everything. I wasn't trading with this channel up, I'm just drawing it right now. So yesterday there was a falling wedge with 3 pushes down. 1, 2, 3. Had a bullish breakout. Bears didn't make money. Maybe they made 1 point here, but I think it's better to be a bull. This is a tight bull channel. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 failed. This is the first time bears really make money. It was the last hour of yesterday. Pushed the markets into a range-bound environment, and we can see that selling high, they got 3 legs down. Bears did, right there. Anyways, bar 1 is a doji trading range bar. There are only 2 types of bars, and we can see both of them right here. Bar 1 is a trading range bar. Bar 2 is a trend bar because the body is bigger than the wick. When the body is bigger than the wick, it is a trend bar. When the wicks are bigger than the body, it is a trading range bar. There's context to that because an outside bar is actually the high of a trading range. Because on a lower time frame, this is a trading range with a double bottom, lower high, and then the market trended to the high of the trading range. Excuse me. So bar 1, doji. Bar 2 could be seen as a breakout, but bad follow through. The market goes range bound, makes a double bottom here with a reversal, but again, not really good follow through. This is a limit order market. If you're buying highs, you're getting trapped and you have to buy more and scalp out above the 50% level, or you can wait for 2-bar follow through. So the market's slowly grinding higher, and we pop into yesterday's high and try and break out. The breakout fails. The breakout doesn't fail, but it has a very deep pullback. Bears get 3 legs down. How could we measure this? That was not right. Yeah, I mean, so you saw I pulled from the top of this candle, and I put the pullback to the top of this wick, and leg 1, leg 2 was met. Challenging leg 1, leg 2, but it was met. After this leg 1, leg 2 is met, this is a reversal pattern, but once again, not good follow through. Here is when we start to see multiple bars stacking in the bull's favor. This is about 4-bar micro channel, and they pulled back, very deep pullback because of this channel here. Coming up to the midday, which is, excuse me, I've had a sore throat all weekend. It's getting cold out here. So, where was I at? So bulls are starting to get a micro channel, and the 10-year bond auction, I don't pay attention to the news, and I also don't trade the news, but I treat it's just price action. It was a reversal, and then the bar closed on highs, breaking out of everything, previous 10 bars range. We can compare the last 10 bars right here to this breakout, and this breakout is way bigger compared to these bars, so I waited to see continuation and didn't see good continuation, but I still bought this high for a small leg. Ended up being not very good trade because the market just went range bound very quickly. It was a really slow day. I think it was really easy to get chopped up and lose money. I'm break even on the day because I got trapped here thinking I measured the leg 1, leg 2 like this. I got trapped. I had a deeper target. Maybe I think I went short here. I did something funny around this area, and my target was like almost the hourly EMA. So I got trapped there, and I had to reverse. I reversed right here, and then I hit out here. Waited for the breakout, got long again. But this was pretty much the bigger move of this whole leg, I guess. How much? Let me see. From the reversal. Yeah, 15 points if you catch that. That was really weak, and I'm not holding through the trade not holding through the trade, I'm not holding through the news. I think today definitely was a continuation of yesterday. Drew the channel earlier, and we can see the market's getting deeper pullbacks. Look from the start of the trend. So I'm saying the trend starts here. Maybe this is the first pullback right here. And then it gets a little deep. very deep pullback. Get 2 legs down, following wedge if we look at it from this angle now. Here's the following wedge, 3 pushes down. And that's interesting because that's also a following wedge right here. Both very similar days, but the price action, the volatility was way lower today. We have news coming up, another 10-year bond auction and FOMC, so I'm going to be taking it easy and just kind of watching price action unfold. Oh, excuse me. So that was a pretty slow day. I remember just being stuck in this long for almost 2 hours, and I almost hit out right here, but I was like, that looks like a double bottom, and then the market went. I caught a few points, and I was on the last bars where I made a couple points where I got out for break even. I made $30, but I mean, it's a break even day. I'll have a day where I lose $30, I'm sure. Daily time frame, the contracts are still off by a little bit. I'm gonna fix this off screen, and tomorrow's video will be better updated. However, we are getting continuation above the July high, which is really crazy. The market's consolidated for quite some time within last week's upper half of the range, and we're breaking out now. Let's see if we get a measured move, if the measured move is met. Okay, obviously that measured move is met. Let's see. Wow, so it's just about at 300. Let me just drag this to there. So they got 3R, the measured move from last week's range, or you can take it from the low here. And that was, yeah. The big gap up, I think, is making it hard for bulls to buy. I'm not even going to talk about they need a pullback, because I think I've been saying that since, like, this bar. I think I've been saying, like, yeah, we're going to pull back, and now look again. Although, look at the size of the pullbacks. Very shallow. This is a pullback, and they made a new high, and then look at this pullback before the new high was made. So the market is slowing down. We can see what happens. I'm not going to say we're reversing, because we're clearly not. The market's still going higher, but the pullback got deeper, the gap up, the trend, the internals of today's bar, in my opinion, really sucked. Like, I don't know if you guys got the longs or maybe the short here, but this was a really annoying long to be in because of this was so long. This was annoying. I saw this as 3 pushes down right here. Today's video is kind of short. It was a pretty boring day. Hope you guys are learning. Hit the follow button if you are. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. Yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays. 14 days till Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler.